Welcome to appleguide. In this video, we're going to show you how to update your software. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Now, I've got two options, iPad OS 15.7 and iPad OS 16. I'm going to upgrade to iPad OS 16 because this is the latest software. So I'll just tap on iPad OS 16, download and install. I'm going to input my passcode. Gonna agree to the terms and conditions, and that's it. It might take some time, but it's gonna update to iPad OS 16.1. It's going to take about 18 minutes.